Gwnnol gynta'r gem. Bobl i'r canol. A mae fewn yn y postyn pella. Blaine Hudson yna i penio ei drydydd gôl o'r tymor. 12 munud wedi mynd. Seintiau Newydd 1, Met Caerdydd dim. Pas lac gan Astols. Mae disgyn i Redmond. Pas lac gan Redmond. Bel gyrraedd McManus yn y diwedd. McManus ar ei droed chwith. Ffeindio Robles. Robles troi mewn. At Marriott. Marriott at y postyn pella. Ac mae fewn gan Declan McManus. I rwydo ei 8fed gôl o'r tymor. Ac i dyblu mantais y Seintiau Newydd. Price. Gwaith da gan Brobl. Pas hyfryd tuag at McManus ar ei droed de. Ond Alex Lang yn sefyll a dal i dir ar y postyn agosa. O, gwaith da gan Redmond i'r canol. Disgyn i Brobl. Ac gweitha ymdrechion Alex Lang yn y gôl. Mae Brobl wedi rhoi Seintiau Newydd 3-0 ar y blaen. 5 munud ar ail hanner wedi mynd. Seintiau Newydd 3, Met Caerdydd dim. Brobl. Brobl yn gry. Pel hyfryd i McManus yn y canol. Di dal yna. Chisovic postyn pella. Ac Adrian Chisovic diomond ar y cae. 5 munud yn rwydo i ail gôl o'r tymor. A 4rydd gôl Seintiau Newydd o'r gem. A dydy'r ymysodwr profiadol ddim yn mynd i colli cyfle fela. Ci crydd i'r Seintiau Newydd. Marriott. Efo'i droed chwith. Ond arbediad gan Alex Lang yn y gôl. Marriott efo'r ergyd efo'i droed chwith. Ond Alex Lang yna i arbed. Ryan Brobl, tuag at y postyn agosa, ac mae fewn 5 gôl Seintiau Newydd, ac ail gôl Declan McManus o'r pnawn. Seintiau Newydd 5, Met Caerdydd dim.
We looked at our recent record against Cardiff Met actually, and I think it was 2 draws, 1 win, 1 loss in the last 4 times we'd played them. So we knew it was going to be a tough test. We went over some other times that the team had played them before in the past as well, and we knew it wasn't going to be easy. I think they've only lost 1 in the last 8, including cup games as well. So it's like it was going to be a tough game today. So we knew that, and to keep the clean sheet was ever so pleasing. And we really wanted to try and step up our performance second half, and I think we did do that.
You know, I'm really glad TNS have done that to us today, because it shows you the standards that are needed. I'm very critical of myself and our coach and staff and the team every day, every game we play in. You just saw the standards today that if you slip just below, what happens? A good team playing against a very good team, and they put us to the sword. They really did, and they deserve what they got. And you know, it's hard to take, but you have to accept it. It's football. And when you drop below the standards, I'm saying I'm critical because of the personnel we didn't have today, but still you have to maintain standards.